Curious about the 2023 Lexus LC 500's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-focused design with a high-resolution touchscreen for infotainment and navigation. It includes premium materials, ambient lighting, and an intuitive control layout for a luxurious and user-friendly experience. The display features a high-resolution touchscreen with smartphone integration, navigation, and vehicle settings. It offers a user-friendly interface with crisp graphics and responsive controls. The instrument cluster features a digital display with analog-style gauges, providing real-time vehicle information. It includes a customizable multi-information screen for navigation, safety alerts, and driving data. The gear shift lever has an ergonomic design with a smooth, precise shifting mechanism. It includes a leather-wrapped finish and a manual shifting mode for enhanced driving control. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The climate control system features a dual-zone automatic setup for personalized temperature settings. It includes touch-sensitive controls and vents designed for efficient airflow and comfort. The engine features a 5.0-liter V8 naturally aspirated powertrain, delivering high revving performance and a thrilling exhaust note. It provides smooth acceleration, precise throttle response, and a balanced blend of power and refinement. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, high coolant temperature warning light. Charging system warning light, low engine oil pressure warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp, SRS warning light. ABS warning light, inappropriate pedal operation warning light. Electric power steering system warning light, low fuel level warning light. Driver's and front passenger seatbelt reminder light. Rear passenger seatbelt reminder lights. Tire pressure warning light. LTA indicator. RCTA off indicator. RCD off indicator. PCS warning light. PKSB off indicator. PCS off warning light. Slip indicator. Parking brake indicator, brake hold operated indicator. Master warning light, turn signal indicator. Headlight indicator, tail light indicator. Headlight high beam indicator, automatic high beam indicator. PCS warning light, cruise control indicator. Dynamic radar cruise control indicator. Cruise control set indicator. LTA indicator. BSM outside rear view mirror indicators. BSM indicator. Intuitive parking assist off indicator. VSC off indicator. Smart access system with push button start. Brake hold operated indicator. Eco driving indicator light. low outside temperature indicator, passenger airbag indicator lights, sport mode indicator, custom mode indicator, eco drive mode indicator, sport mode indicator, Sport S mode indicator, Sport S plus mode indicator, hybrid system overheat, electric vehicle drive mode indicator.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.